Hi guys, hope you've been well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I've been seeing the pop-up of Meesho ads and videos which other folks have done on my YouTube feed for quite some time, and I was really wondering, is it worth my money? So I decided to install the app, buy a few products which are really not expensive at all. I mean, it's really cheap if you compare it to the contemporary brands. And today I thought I'll do an unboxing, so I've got the packet right in my hand. So this is the one. It's a very small packet that has come, and I'm very excited to unbox it and give you my first impressions on whether I like these. Quite like the fact that they have mentioned the name of the brand. So in Meesho, by the way, whenever you are choosing products, you can click on view shop and you can see what are the different products which are listed under that shop, and that way you can find out more similar items, or let's say the total number of listed items under one seller. I've got this necklace on and it does look quite pretty. I did hope that it would be a little better in quality, but again, looking at the price point, I think this is quite a steal buy. What I really love about this is sort of the vintage styled heart which is there, and I absolutely love it. It definitely looks really nice for these kind of off-shoulder tops or off-shoulder dress. I'm wearing a dress right now. One thing which I found really interesting about this is I think this was made by somebody who is left-handed, which is super cool. More inclusivity in terms of making jewelry, because the clasp is on the left hand side, which means that for a right-handed person like me, I have to really struggle, and I don't even come to know about this struggle because I'm so used to having the clasps always on the right hand side. Next up, we've got this three-tiered kind of jewelry. It's again a necklace, and I'm going to quickly wear it and show you a demo. By the way, this also has a clasp on the left hand side, and I think it's getting really interesting. It's a little longer than I expected, honestly. I thought this whole thing was gonna sit here. The rhinestone details are quite beautiful and I do like it. So as you can see, the stone is a little lighter blue in color compared to what was there on the catalog. Impression that I'm getting is this is a really good knockoff of the original product, and definitely the products don't look exactly the way that they are listed. Not sure where I'm gonna wear it personally, but you can definitely go for it. Next up, we've got this one. I don't hate it. First verdict, but the problem stays. This was not supposed to be this long. That's not the look that we were going for. However, is it value for money? It is. I like the product. I like the details. Doesn't look bad at all. I do like it. I love the blues. I love the fact that I can actually couple it, but the way I would style it is I would first wear a piece of jewelry here, then I'm gonna stack it. It standalone is not the style which I personally like. Now this is longer than the other one, probably the longest of it all, but yeah, since it's understated, it looks kind of cute. I especially love the color of this one because it's not striking gold. I'm especially not a big fan of gold jewelry which scream gold. Look at me. So I think this is sort of an understated color. It looks nice, but I do like it for the price that we have paid for it. Thank God I didn't stop at just necklaces, and I did buy a pair of earrings. They're super light. You would think that they're like a safety pin, but they're not. You would think that they're just like a linked chain earring, but they are not. To be very honest with you, this is more up my alley. I think it's an interesting design, and we're going to see a lot more like this in the market. I actually haven't seen this one in Colaba yet. Okay, now that we've done a quick round of demo for all of them, I think we need to address the elephant in the room, which is, honestly speaking, I don't have a wow factor for any of these. Honest to God, I don't. Yeah. It's sad, but it's true. What can I do? I mean, I cannot lie to you guys. Having said that, it's super fun. You should definitely check out, maybe keep a budget which is like 600, 700 and buy a few products and see for yourself whether it is worth, and if you see that you could find some gems, let me know. I would love to see them. Drop me a note on Instagram. I would love to go and check out your products, and maybe I can buy it for myself, because trust me, not everything is available in my local markets. Hope that you're having fun, you're keeping safe, and you're having fun on all the online apps. And if there is something which is similar to this, let me know. I shall definitely try to buy something, check out and post a review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.